Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram not showing story. So basically, some of you guys have the problem of seeing the stories right here at the top, and one of the reasons why this is happening to you because maybe your internet connection. So you need to double check if your internet connection is good or powerful so you can get the full experience on Instagram, right? If it doesn't, just go ahead and switch to another Wi-Fi if you have like a 5G or something like that, so you can get a better experience. Or you can choose the cellular data, and basically you'll be able to see the Instagram story right away. All right, or you can consume the content. So basically that's one of the ways. The other way, if that didn't work out for you, you can just go back to your screen, go ahead to your App Store or Google Play, and just go ahead right here into your App Store and click on your icon avatar at the top right, and basically you're gonna see right here all the updated apps right here. And basically go ahead and double check if the apps needs to be updated, right? If it was the Instagram right here, I'm gonna just click on Instagram and you're gonna see there we go, there's a newest update, and I haven't gotten any notification that I need to update the app. But you need to double check if there is any new updates within the Instagram app, so you can get access to all the new features. And probably this is the reason why you are facing troubles probably with Instagram story, or maybe the experience itself within the Instagram app. So you will need to update the app so you can get a better experience, right? So if that didn't work out for you, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go back to your screen, go ahead to your general settings in the iPhone. You're gonna go ahead to the general. In the general, I'm gonna just go ahead to the iPhone storage, and basically you're gonna just start looking for the Instagram, upload the app so you can free up some of the storage, but it will keep your documents and data. And basically click the same button to reinstall the app, and basically that should fix your problem. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.